Oh, what is that sound which so thrills the ear down in the valley, drumming, drumming? Only the scarlet soldiers, dear, the soldiers coming. Oh, what are they doing with all that gear? What are they doing this morning, this morning? Only their usual maneuvers, dear, or perhaps a warning. Why haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Why haven't they reined their horses, their horses? Why, there are none of them wounded, dear, none of these forces. Oh, isn't it the parson they want with the white hair? Is it the parson? Is it the parson? No, they are passing his gateway, dear, without a visit. They have passed the farmyard already, dear, and now they are running.
Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here. For the vows you swore deceiving?
No, I promise to love you, dear, but I need to leave.